Regular checking of our vending machines is good practice and beneficial to all of us. This is not only for health benefits, but for the quality drinks we desire. This video will show you all the summary on how to clean and maintain our vending machines. The drip tray, cup catcher and cup stand are the gateway to our vending machines. If this area is not cleaned, it will attract unwanted visitors. Regularly check and clean these parts to avoid infestations. Remove the cup catcher, drip tray, and cup stand. Remove the silicone tube and release the cup catcher. Unlock the drip tray by pushing down and pulling the lock lever at the same time. To remove the cup stand, position at 45 degrees angle and pull out starting from the right side part. After cleaning, fix it properly in the machine. Check the gallons to see if you have enough water. Replace if required. Check and clean waste bucket regularly to avoid bad smells and pest infestations. Replace the garbage bag. Throw the wastewater out of the bucket. Check all the ingredients in the canister, refill one by one. Check the expiration date on each packaging. Clean the spillage on the machine floor. Perform a quick check and cleaning on our espresso brewer, using a cleaning brush. Do the weekly tablet cleaning. Regularly check and clean the mixing bowl. Do the mixing bowl rinse using the water spray assembly built in our vending machine. Make sure the mixing bowl is dry after rinsing and free of blockage. Check and clean the cup stations, refilling the cups when necessary. Allow the cups to drop into the tubes directly from the packaging. Do not touch the cups with your hands. Do not rotate the cup turret by hand, it will damage the mechanism. If you are using paper cups, first inspect each sleeve for damage to the cup rims. Damaged cups must not be used. Regularly check and disinfect the vending machine screen, using a clean cloth damp with the disinfectant or alcohol. Check for machine errors and perform the required procedure. Avoid spraying chemicals or acid directly on the machine screen. Doing that will damage the thin layer of protection on the screen.